Our buddy Josh Jeffrey shot a good buck, but it's been pretty slow for Hosey and I. Got just a little bitty, like three-quarter acre kill plot right here. I had locked down bees from Big Time in here. They've mowed them off. There ain't hardly anything left, but there's enough that they've been coming in here kind of nipping at it. Fingers crossed. We need to make something happen day 4. Doe coming off the ridge right here. There's a buck behind her. Mature buck. Big 6. Big 6-pointer coming down to the right here. Just let them come out right here. We'll leave these windows closed right here. They're coming straight downwind of the blind. Are you ready? I'm gonna open this window right here. Yep, I'm ready. Good. Can you see him? Yep. All right. Here we go. Good right there. Yep. Got it. Here we go. Good. Yep, I got him. Get on that doe. Okay, got her. Yep. Twofer, baby. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Tagged out Missouri, baby. It's the first one, number 1 and 2 for me with the BRX1. This new rifle from Beretta. Neither one of them left the